Hello, welcome back to our channel, and today I will show you how to still view likes on X. So if we are talking about your likes on your profile, then open X on your phone and tap your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen and then access your profile, and as you can see it is divided into several sections and you want to reach the likes tab. And boom, this is the page where you will see every single post that you have ever liked, so you can scroll through this list and discover those posts. But if we are talking about that you want to go to someone else's profile and check their likes, then I have to upset you because that's no longer possible on X because they removed that feature. The only option how you can do that is to go to your homepage and at the top of your screen go to following section, and from time to time you can see some kind of posts that people that you follow like. So they can appear in this feed, but again there is no full list of someone else's likes anymore. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.